evening. Breaking news coming in. Justice Arun Pali today sworn in as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. He is made and subscribed to the oath of office before the Lieutenant Governor UT of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. And this is the big breaking news that's coming in as we are speaking. We've now got Justice Pali, Arun Pali, who's been sworn in as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. Gursimran joining us on the phone line. Gursimran, Jammu and Kashmir High Court gets its new Chief Justice, Justice Arun Pali, sworn in as the Chief Justice. Gursimran, if you can hear me, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, has administered the oath of office to Justice Pali. He's been sworn in as the new Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And his name had been recommended for elevation days before the retirement of the earlier Chief Justice. Justice Sanjeev Kumar earlier had been serving as the acting Chief Justice since Justice Rabistan retired on the 9th of April. Justice Pali was a judge of the Punjab and Haryana earlier High Court. Central government notified his appointment on 12th of April. Gursimran, the news that's coming in, Justice Arun Pali now sworn in as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.
Yes, Justice Arun Pali has taken an oath as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu Kashmir and the High Court of Ladakh. He has taken over from Justice Sanjeev Kumar, who was the acting Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court for last 7 days, because on 9th of April, Chief Justice Tashi Rabistan retired from the office, and since the Collegium has recommended the appointment of Justice Arun Pali, who is the Justice from the Punjab and Haryana High Court, as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court, but the Collegium's recommendation was pending with the Government of India. And since for the time being, Justice Sanjeev Kumar was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, but today in a function that was held in Jammu, in which he was administered oath by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, in which Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and other officials were also present. And today afternoon he has taken oath, Justice Arun Pali has taken oath as the Chief Justice of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as well as Ladakh.
All right. Thank you, Gursimran, for giving us those details. The other top focus